Right now, SAEX, this is why we waited for the afternoon. I always say, if I'm late on a play, I'm not going to chase it. SAEX, during our last recap, that's when we saw the stock start moving on up. I couldn't get in at around the $11 mark. And why was that? That was because TOS was glitching this morning. It wasn't allowing anyone to trade a lot of stocks. It was being very slow. Not too much was going on. But SAEX took on off right here. The wheels are off the bus. Deck, what does that mean? I'm not sure, but the stock is climbing pretty big. All right, SAEX has gone so far from 750 all the way up to 27.25 now. I was able to get in from 20 bucks right up towards that $22 mark. 2,000 shares right here, was able to make a nice profit. As I said, if I was able to continue to hold on to this stock, I would have been up probably around, what, like right around like 10 grand right now. Here's my P&L. I just want to always show everyone, make sure you guys see my transparency, see my, let you guys know that, I'm being honest, of course. Just very important, as I know there's always going to be people out there who always want to see P&L, which I completely understand as well. So you guys should always have, a P&L from, someone that you're learning from, for your mentors, so you always have that transparency. I got in at $20.92 right here with 2,000 shares, and I got out at $22, $22.40, and $21.56. That came out to a total profit of $2,105. So you can see right here as well, if I want to change the view a little bit, 2,000 shares, P&L on the day, $2,105. Not too shabby of a day. Now, something that was so important that I talked about in the last recap that, of course, you guys can check out in my earlier video, we talked about the comparison between SAEX, the comparison between ALT. Guys, it's an absolute beaut. I'm actually going to just change this right here. Let's go with symbol linking. Let's go to the time frame. Let's go to daily right here. And okay, this is what we have here. We have SAX, and let's have ALT. SAX is doing what ALT did last week. Look at the similarities, guys. We have multiple things that are in line that are leading towards the same sort of spike. If we study the past and we study chart setups and we study stocks, we'll be able to predict the future. People say, oh, stock trading is not predictable. How is it not predictable? Study what has happened in the past to be able to figure out what these stocks are going to do in the future. ALT came out with a reverse stock split last week. The stock fell for a couple days. It made a U-shaped pattern. As we know, U-shaped breakouts lead to a very big rip. SAEX came out with a reverse stock split a couple days ago. The stock fell, made a U-shaped breakout pattern, and they went on very big rips. ALT has a low float. SAEX has a lower float. ALT, let's go back and let's study this pattern back on a 5-minute time frame when the stock went on a nice big breakout. So we look back right here on this 5-minute time frame on the day of its big time breakout, that big time run and rip. What did we have? We had a big morning spike. The stock made a big U-shaped pattern and then broke out right around 145. Okay, cool. So let's you can see our top resistance breaks out right around 145. SAEX today. Let's see what we have here, ladies and gentlemen. Well, if we look at SAEX, what do we see on this play right here? Let me actually get it. Okay, we have our, actually, let me switch back to, I'm trying to see what the best time frame would be. Right here, let's just go a 5-minute right now. We have our nice morning spike. We have our top resistance. What happens? The stock falls on down. And what time it starts spiking? Right around 145. Yep, right around 145, 150, and it goes on a nice big rip. So what do we see here, guys? This stock is nearly following the same exact pattern as ALT. Morning spike. Don't chase the morning. Wait for the pullback. Get in over lunch or the next rip on up. Morning spike. Don't chase the spike. Wait for the pullback. Over lunch. Get in on the nice big rip, the nice big climb then. Right? I'm not chasing a stock after it goes all the way up to 20 bucks. I can't. I'm going to wait for the pullback. I'm going to wait for it to consolidate. Then I'll buy this rip. I didn't even get the whole meat of the bone here. I got a little piece of candy, but I'm still super, super happy. That's $2,100. $2,100 in the matter of what? How quick was that trade, actually? If I want to look over at this, I got in at 350. Okay, less than 10 minutes. It was a 9-minute trade. About a 9-10-minute trade right here. What other job in the world is going to give you $2,100 in the matter of 10 minutes? Right? It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, the way the market works. So ALT, not only do we have the same setup during today, and what could happen, what I would like to see is a big pullback and another possible buy for a big swing trade overnight. That's what I would like. We also have the same exact pattern on the daily chart because it has the same exact press release. the reverse stock split. This is why you want to be here every single day. This is why you guys want to be in chat, listening to commentary, working on, what are the most profitable patterns. If you took a week off and you weren't here for ALT, do you think you would have caught SAEX? Maybe you would have gotten a little bit, but you would have not been, as ready as you could have been if you, were here when ALT broke out. They're exactly the same. Compare the past, or study the past, and you'll be able to predict the future on a lot of these plays. We have a lot of masterpiece patterns popping off right now. PED. Nice, big time rip. Stock falls back on down, getting a nice pop. We're seeing GBR. Again, nice big spike. Stock falls on down, getting a nice pop, getting a nice rip right there. CEI. Stock, had a nice big rip coming back down, low on the RSI, getting a nice pop. There's a lot going on right now. A lot of opportunities. A lot of potential to make some big time money, guys. I want every single person here coming out green. I want every single person saying, hey, Dek, thanks for the profit. That's absolutely awesome. We have a ton of traders banking today. And with that being said, when you guys make money, it fires me up because you guys are the ones that are clicking buy. You guys are the ones clicking sell. I'm not doing anything. People always say, oh, Dek, thanks for this, thanks for that. Again, you guys are the ones doing it. Give yourself the credit. Tell pump yourself up. Hey, I just made $1,000 in the market. Yeah, I can do this. I can make money. Yeah. I hate Dek. Yeah, that guy sucks. No, okay, let's not get too carried away. But no, but you guys can see if you study and put in the work, study these patterns, you guys will be able to really get, very good at this. Get very good, make some big time profit, get some big time money, and you guys will be all set. And as I said, could not be more happy. $300, $320, $169, $265, Mino with $155, $2,100, $159, $630, $720, $240. The list goes on and on. Right here, $1,120 gain. You know how it goes, guys. So, awesome work. There's so much more coming on up as well. And I'm very excited that we're in such hot market conditions. We're in the fall, baby. The leaves are falling. The stocks are rising. This is absolutely great, and I cannot wait to see what's coming up in the future. So awesome job. Enjoy this day. We have potential for a swing trade coming up on SAEX. We want this, to possibly crash on down. Right now, you can just throw a trend line on this bad boy, and we can go from there. But we'll see what this afternoon has in store for this last little power hour. Just wanted to go over a recap, let you guys see my profit, show you guys why I hopped in at the areas I did, and go from there. So study past, predict the future. Awesome job, guys. Enjoy those profits.